Hey makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into beauty essentials every makeup enthusiast should have at home. These are the must-haves for any makeup collection, whether you're a beginner or a pro. First up, we have a good skincare routine. Before applying any makeup, start with a clean face. This involves a cleanser to remove dirt and oil, followed by a moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Don't forget sunscreen to protect against sun damage. Healthy skin is the best base for flawless makeup. Next, let's talk about primers. Face primers create a smooth canvas for your makeup, minimizing pores and helping your makeup last longer. Eye primers prevent eyeshadow creasing and boost color payoff. Always use a primer before foundation and eyeshadow. Then comes the foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and type. Whether you prefer a liquid, cream, or powder foundation, it's essential for creating an even complexion. Don't forget concealer to cover blemishes and under eye circles. For the eyes, you'll need eyeshadow palettes. These palettes should have a range of neutral and colorful shades to create different looks. Mascara is a must-have for longer, fuller lashes, and an eyeliner to define your eyes. Brow products like pencils or pomades are also essential for well-groomed brows. Blush, bronzer, and highlighter are important. Blush adds a healthy flush, bronzer adds warmth and contour, and highlighter adds a radiant glow to your face. Apply these to enhance your features. Finally, the lips. Have a collection of lipsticks, lip glosses, and lip liners in various shades. These will complete any makeup look. Makeup brushes are essential for flawless application. Invest in a variety of brushes for foundation, eyeshadow, blush, and more. A makeup sponge is also crucial for blending foundation and concealer. Makeup remover is a must. Remove all makeup before going to bed. A good makeup remover ensures your skin stays clean. And last but not least, a setting spray to keep your makeup in place all day long. So, there you have it. The beauty essentials every makeup lover should have at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips.